Hey guys, welcome. In this video, we are going to solve CodeSafe Starters 35 problem, and this is the first problem, which is water requirement, and this is a very basic one. The statement is saying that finally, after purchasing a water cooler during the April long challenge, Safe noticed that his water cooler requires 2 liters of water to cool for 1 hour. Then we have to find how many liters of water is required by cooler to cool for n hours. And input format is T for test case, N for the first and only line integer cost N is number of hours we need to cool water cooler, and output format we have to print the liters of water which is required to cool the cooler for n hours. This is simply the multiply. For 1 hour we require 2 liter of water, so 2 hour. For 1 hour we require 2 liter, for 2 hours we require 4 liter. We will multiply just n by 2. And the second question is Jenga night. The statement is saying that Safe hosts a party for his birthday. There are n people at the party, and all these n people decide to play Jenga. There are x Jenga tiles available in one round. All the players pick one tile each and place it in tower. The game is valid if all these two conditions are satisfied. The first one is all the players have a tile in each round, and second one is all the tiles are used at the end. So no tiles will remain, and for every round every people have at least one tile in their hand. This is possible if and only the number of tiles is more than the number of people, and number of tiles is multiple of number of people. Then we will just write a statement, this if number of tiles greater than or equal to number of people and number of tiles modulo number of people should be equal to 0. We have to print yes or no if it is valid or not valid. The first one is n and x. Yeah, this is both are same, then their modulo is 0, which is true. Here the number of people is 4 and the number of tiles is only 2. Then this is not valid, so we will print no. In third one, number of people is less than number of tiles, is satisfy the condition, and number of tile modulo number of people is also 0. Thus the whole condition passes, we will print yes. And in the third one, which is police and thief, the statement is saying that Safe discovered that his secret recipe has been stolen. Immediately informs the police on the theft. It is known that the policeman and thief move on the number line. You are given that. Understand these 2 points very carefully. The first one is saying that the initial location of policeman on the number line is x and his speed is 2 units per second, and the second one is position of thief is y and his speed is 1 unit per second. So we have to find the minimum number of times in second required to catch the thief. Yeah, this is the input format, first for test case and second 2 integers followed by each test case, which is x for initial position of policeman and second for initial position of thief. We have to print the time required. The first case is 1 and 3. This is our number line 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -1, -2, -3, and so on. The initial position of policeman is, here is police, and 1 and 3. Yeah, here is the thief. So police and thief. I have to use T for thief. This is time, police and thief. So after 1 second, the position of police will be this plus 2, which means 3, and after 1 second the position of thief is 3 plus 1, which is 4. Policeman and thief. Policeman is just 1 below the thief, 1 before the thief. After 2 seconds, policeman will be at 5 and thief will be at also 5. Then both are same, then policeman will catch the thief. So our answer will be T equal to 2 for first case. For second case, which is policeman at 2, policeman at 2 and thief at 1. Yeah. So change color. For second case, after 1 second, yeah, first understand this, the policeman is on next to the number line, then he will not run in this direction, he will run in this direction, and thief will also run in this direction, because policeman will also be before, after the behind the thief. So after 1 second, what will be the position of thief? This, and position of policeman will be plus 2, because he moved 2 point per second. So after 1 second, position of thief will be 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1, which is 0, and position of policeman will be 2 minus 2, which is also 0. Both are same, so here time required is only 1 second. And the third situation is if both are at same distance, both are at same coordinate, then time required is 0. This is the basic one also. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much guys for watching this video. See you next time.